Hello everybody, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. Today I'm taking you along for a little adventure. I'm heading into town, heading into Fargo for a work dinner. But first I'm going to make a quick stop at a small local farmer's market called Hildebrandt Farmer's Market. Let's see what kind of fresh goodies we can find there. Don't forget to buckle up for safety. Still quite a bit smoky and foggy out a little bit there. So I'm meeting with some of the other leads that are in our area. We're just going to get together and have a dinner. We haven't done that for a while. So we all work from home. It's kind of a nice way to just kind of get together and hang out a little bit. I just love a small little town. Okay, we've made it to the farmer's market. Look at this cute little setup. Let's go in and see what she has today for some veggies.
Right. I just do the potting, so I've always just bought it just for my potted plants, and then regular, kept the bigger.
What an amazing assortment of veggies. Hi. I definitely am going to get some tomatoes. Those are big cucumbers.
Yikes.
I need some herbs. Let's see. Celery.
I can pick that up for you if you want.
Are these really fruity in the middle? They're not.
Let's see.
Well, maybe you'd be better off with these bags.
Yeah, I'm looking for your fresh herbs. Do you have herbs?
We do. We cut them for you.
Oh, you
So if
do?
want,
Awesome.
we have
Yes.
rosemary, basil, mint, thyme.
I'll take everything except for mint. So
So
what?
you like rosemary, thyme, and basil and parsley?
Yes, please. My chickens got my garden this year. I kept putting I fence around it. I don't know how they're getting. I probably have to clip their wings. They just, yeah, so they just got everything. Most everything. Yeah. All right. I got all my fresh finds at the Hildebrandt Farmers Market. I returned from my work brunch, so I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with all of these fresh ingredients. I've got a big box of tomatoes here. These are seconds tomatoes. I got a small thing of these slicer tomatoes. I have a huge bunch of sauce tomatoes that I am going to freeze dry up. I got a little bitty melon here that I thought I will slice up and enjoy with my breakfast, and then the rind the chickens will like. I got a small cauliflower. My cauliflower is not ready. A cabbage and a whole bunch of herbs. So the chickens got a couple of the chickens got out the other day and they got into my herbs. So I got some fresh ones here that I am going to freeze dry up with all of my tomatoes. So I'm going to wash these, slice them up, get them on my trays. I'm going to do this tomorrow, so I'll do that with you. And then I'm going to freeze dry that up. For this cabbage, I think I'm going to make some sauerkraut. And I will link a video below of me how to make sauerkraut. Super easy. Using fresh ingredients makes it so easy to whip up simple, healthy meals that save both time and money. So you can create delicious dishes without spending hours in the kitchen or breaking the bank. So that is why I like to support local, whatever I don't get out of my garden. And then I will just preserve these up. I got a great deal on these because they have a little bit of blemishes on them, which is no big deal. I'm just going to chop them up with my chopper. And after I wash them, of course, because you can see they are very freshly picked. And then I'm going to put them on my freezer trays. And then I will be super honest with you guys. My freeze dryer has been having some errors on it, and I've been working with Prep for Life. They've been wonderful, and we've been doing some troubleshooting, and we just can't figure it out. And so they want to take a look at the freeze dryer, so they are shipping me a brand new one. So once that comes, I will pull all of this out of the freezer and throw it in my new cube freeze dryer, and then they will take a look at the one that's here and see what is going on, because even the engineers are just stumped. They've never seen it. And leave it to me, right? Leave it to me to have something that no one else has ever had happen. So I can't wait to share with what I cook with these ingredients. And remember, everybody, eating well doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. If you enjoyed this little adventure today, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And I will see you all next. Don't forget that you are loved and be blessed. Bye.